What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, man, back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing an unboxing from the GOAT app, man. I've actually been waiting on these shoes for a little over 3 weeks now, but that is all due to the situation that we're going on right now in this country, man. And one thing that I love about GOAT app is they actually hit me up and let me know that it will be a delay on the sneakers that you bought, and just that customer service made the wait for these shoes go by a little bit faster, man. Just knowing that, you know, the shoes are good, the shoes are authenticated, but it is a delay in the shipping due to, you know, short staff, UPS, USPS, and all that, only shipping out stuff priority if it is pretty much business essential. So yeah, man, we finally got the package in today. So if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you guys to do is subscribe right now to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video or live stream that drops on the channel. And please slap that like button. You guys have been killing the like button lately. Please hit that like button right now to go for every video is to surpass 200 likes. And like I said, you guys have been killing that, so I really do appreciate it. And if you don't mind, please head over to IG, give your boy a follow at DeVintage. Of course, it will be linked down below in the description box, man. And before we get into this video, I got a confession to make. I got a confession. This Apple Watch that I've been wearing on the videos has not been charged since this whole quarantine stuff. It's honestly no point of wearing an Apple Watch in the house if you're not going nowhere. So this hasn't been on the charger for at least 3 weeks now. So every video you guys have seen me wearing this joint on is dead, man. So that's a confession. That's the first confession during this quarantine. You guys let me know down below one of your confessions that you haven't told anybody during this quarantine process, man. So all that being said, let's jump right into this package from the GOAT app, man. Let's get it. All right, let's get right up into this joint. My knife been acting very weird lately, so I gotta be very fragile with the knife and the cutting. So let's go ahead and get into this package right quick, like. And let's get into it, man. So the reason I really bought this sneaker is because I have a very dope video idea that I want to drop sometime either this week or next week. I want to do the top 5 essential sneakers that every man needs in the collection, man. And this by far is one of them. I didn't even realize that I didn't even have any more of this shoe, so I had to go back and get these joints. So as you can see, you know how GOAT come. I'm gonna give you guys like a little overview about the GOAT app towards the end of this video, but you know, you always get the brown tissue paper in there and nothing else inside. So go ahead and throw the box out the way. But check it out, man. We got the Revenge by Storm Vans. These are some more on the hype B side. I could have got some regular Vans, but I was like, why not, you know what I'm saying, spice it up, get a little hype beastie, and pick up these Revenge Storm Vans, man. Check it out. You got the bolt up top. And let's go ahead and open these joints up real quick. So inside you get, you know, your little GOAT card, and it tells you all the process that I went through. And I'm going to touch up on this card after I show you guys the sneakers. So go ahead and throw this to the side real quick. You get a GOAT sticker. Of course, I have so many of these GOAT stickers since I've been living in Germany. When I was overseas, man, GOAT really came in clutch. Only $10 shipping while I was overseas. You guys do know StockX is not ship overseas unless you pay in that bag. So let's go ahead and pull these joints out, pull them out, and we finally have them, the Revenge Storm Vans, man. Check them out, check them out. Like I said, I had to get something a little bit more on the hype B side. I couldn't get the regular Vans, you know me. And I got these joints for a good price. I'm not sure if these go for a lot of money or anything like that. The reason I really got them is because I need a pair of Vans in the collection. And like I said, I want to drop a video for you guys and new people that want to watch the video about the 5 sneakers every man should pretty much have in the collection. And not really just in the collection, just to have in the wardrobe to wear with anything day-to-day life. So here you go, man. Revenge Storm Vans. Let me know right now in the comment section below if you have a pair of these joints, or let me know if you have a regular pair of Vans. I do know that some of these Revenge Storm Vans go for a lot of money, but me, I only got these for $138. So I want to get a regular pair of Vans. It only cost me like 80 bucks. So like I said, I did go on the hype beast lane copping these joints. I think they dope. I think they're very different, of course. I like the collab they did. I think it was like a red and black pair. It was a white and blue pair, I think. So you guys let me know which one of those Revenge Storm Vans you got in the collection. I'm not sure when these joints release, but I have been eyeing them for a while. And for $138 for a pair of Vans, and you got like a little designer touch to it, the Revenge Storm, I'm like, man, I gotta copy it. The thing I really like about this shoe, man, is definitely gonna be the Thunderbolt going across the side of the sneaker. You know, usually with Vans, you get like the regular strip right here, and I do not know where my other pair of Vans would. Maybe I gave it to my brother or something, I'm not sure. But right here, as you can tell, it's a major difference between this one and a regular pair of Vans. And for the video I'm gonna drop talking about the 5 shoes every man needs, of course, you don't have to get the Revenge Storm, but I definitely feel like a pair of Vans is essential for, you know what I'm saying, guys that have for their day-to-day routines. I remember back in the day, Vans, you could beat them up, and the more you beat them up, they didn't get real yellow or anything like that, the better they would look. On this pair specifically, man, they got a lot of different materials, not the same, you know what I'm saying, canvas and material that we have on a regular pair of Vans. They up the quality a little bit, and of course, that's due to them collabing with, you know what I'm saying, Revenge Storm. Checking out the back, man, you got Off the Shits. I did not even know that was on the back of the shoe, man. That's very different, very unique. I'm really digging that, man. Just a lot of different touches that you don't don't see on a regular pair of Vans, man. Even on the tongue, you get Revenge right here, and on the back of the tongue, you get Revenge times Storm, man. Check it out, check it out. Like I said, definitely something different, something I am not used to seeing, and I'm definitely gonna give these joints a lot of wears while I have these shoes in the collection, man. At the bottom of the shoe, you got Storm down here, check it out, and on this side, yeah, you get the same thing. You get Storm at the bottom of the insole. And checking out the bottom of the shoe, you get Revenge Time Storm again. Just Revenge Time Storm branded all across this Van. I'm really digging this collab, and I think I'm gonna go back and get some of the other colorways. And I know it's some of the Vans that they collab with that's going for a lot of money, so I might not get them. I might get some around this price point, $130, $150, because it's not that bad. All right, so enough of the shoes. I want to talk about GoApp a little bit more, and I want to pick up this card again, talking about all the process it goes through. Check it out. Check out the card right here. As you can see, all the different steps that the authenticator of this shoe went through and made sure it passed. I don't know if you guys remember, but back in the day, GOAT had a card that came in a box, and the person that authenticated the shoe had to sign it, man. But now they don't do it like that. They just go ahead and give it punch holes each phase that it went through of the authentication process, man. So you have label and tag, you got the sole, the stitching, the material, color, structure, and then quality control. It has accessories, box condition, shoe condition, right, left, the SKU number, and the size, man. So I really like this, and if they're actually going through each of these steps, man, making sure everything is good, it's kind of hard to slip worn sneakers or fake sneakers through the authentication process. And of course, you get the GOAT sticker right here. Like I said, I have tons of these, so I don't need any more of these. Please go. And then the box is pretty standard. Of course, you get the brown tissue paper, and you don't get no extra goodies inside of the box. But back to the shoes, man, I did want to talk about, of course, go down. I really say go down a whole size in Vans and Chuck Taylors and stuff like that. All my Comrade Garçons, which you see up there, are in a size 8. I'm gonna true to size 9. But if you get a size 9 and some Chucks, or if you go true to size to like a pair of Vans, something is gonna be flopping off your feet. So definitely go down, half a size, if not a whole size. I appreciate everybody for tuning into this unboxing from the GOAT. I actually kind of did a review and an unboxing of the GOAT app, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys always enjoy these type of videos. I always want to help you guys out, especially when you're trying to buy sneakers from these different sneaker apps. GOAT is definitely my go-to, and I actually have another pair of sneakers coming from them when they had the 3-day sale, when they had the Travis Scott 6s, they had the Travis Scott Air Force 1s, they had the Off-White 5s, they had so many shoes that was on sale that was going for way under market value price. So you guys stay tuned for that unboxing. Make sure you like this video if you have not liked the video yet. The goal for the channel now is to hit 30K by my birthday, July the 8th. So if you guys want to help me get to that 30K by my birthday, July 8th, man, all you gotta do is like the video and comment down below. That's what YouTube like to see. So like I said, subscribe, ring notification bell for your boy if you have not hit it already. Like the video, comment down below one of your confessions, and let me know if you have any Vans or Revenge Storm Vans in your collection. Head over to IG, give me a follow at DeVintage World. Of course, it'll be linked down below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.